Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 11. I have just pulled up at work. I got myself a iced latte, which is very nice. And I got some of the new mini hotcakes from McDonald's, the ones that have Nutella. Oh, they're so cute. Look at them. So yeah, hopefully they're nice. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go into work now. I'll eat this and then I'll start. These are so good. If you have them at your McDonald's, please try them. They're so nice. Alright, it's about 10:30. I'm just gonna go pick my little sister up. She's at my house. But yeah, I need to pick her up and bring her back to my mum. So that's what I'm going to do now. I just realised I need my keys, so I need to go get them. Alright, I'm home now. I got home a couple of hours ago. And then I just had my friend Abby over for a while and we went and got some McDonald's and stuff. But honestly, I feel like today is just a lazy day. Like, I went to work, so I'm just a bit tired and I think I'm honestly just gonna jump into bed. And like watch a show or something. Because yeah, I just need to lay down. I've got work tomorrow and then I'm busy on Sunday, so yeah, I'm just feeling a bit overwhelmed and just a bit stressed at the moment. But yeah, I'm sure I'll sort it out soon. But yeah, anyway, I'm probably gonna jump into bed. I need to still edit my video and stuff that goes up tonight, but I'll do that soon. See if I do anything else fun, I'll let you know. Okay, I'm gonna head to bed now. I'm exhausted. I've just been sleeping. Look, it's because like it's hot. But yeah, I'm gonna just go to bed. I'm so tired. I didn't upload a video tonight because I'm just too tired to edit, and I think I'll just combine Vlogmas day 11 and 10, so today and yesterday, and then upload it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm just so tired, so I've got another day at work tomorrow. So I would just like a good sleep. I'm gonna go get chilly and jump to bed. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really sorry today was so boring, but I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.